Here we go to lesson 3. Number 3 lesson. And me practice blow walk 'em out last ting. Stampa blow lesson is stuff all same all time. Stampa blow lesson number 3. Italian blow lesson ya. By you me make him all example. Blow make him you me think about back again. Fasten blow read him one story. Blow sabe walk 'em out one straight lasting thing. He got some story where lasting thing is the finish. Lost story where you me read him. They got some story where you me no more. You must use them all information. Blow walk 'em out straight lasting thing. Blow him. But you me got all example is stop. First one, lasting thing is the finish. Lost story. So you read him with him class. After ask him all get a blow. Cut him out one information. Or write them or tell him out no more. After you may walk him out say which one now and me lasting thing. Look, you got other law book below you where you point law information number 4 where he same lasting thing below one where he write him story. But now you may want to check him good lasting thing. You may got 2 big fella law or law work 'em out lasting thing. Lasting thing he must follow him good all information more and he must use him every information blow come law lasting thing yeah. So check him good. Yes, I think you may use him every information. Try and go through law one blow check him more and me follow him good and me not talk about one different something and me talk about law all kakai law celebration where story stop talk about. Now for example, you got one short story back again, read him story, ask him everyone blow, tell him out one information. But now lasting thing is stop where Emmy Jackson Low Emmy best store blow make him shopping lo him. But Emmy one tricky one little bit from might Emmy know true. So it could blow only talk around lo him lo table no one table blow walk him out say think you may need him some more information or you may ask him some question blow make sure say you may come lo one lasting thing where him one good one. You know really got all straight answer blow him. It just one time blow every man he talk around lo him ask him some question. All stuff only friendly all same one him. Price blow rice good be or same one in law price blow not for something. Or same one in law not for something where you use him blow scale him say Emmy best store. So Emmy no more purpose blow exercise yeah. The next example, Emmy got one question law and blow story more answer blow question yeah. You may take him all same lasting thing blow story. More hemi just blow show him out say suppose you let go one law information or answer blow you by wrong. So I mean easy blow look from you me do all make him all maths. Huh? So use him all number. Or suppose you may forget him some law number. Answer by straight one now. Number 3 example where you got picture blow shark lo him. Hemi one short story back again. The man way tell him story or write him story. Hemi no tell him out lasting thing blow him. You me now you me sabe use some all information blow walk him out one lasting thing. So make him say something, read him story, tell him one information where he stop. More walk lo one group blow walk him out one lasting thing. Lasting thing must follow him good, all information, more lasting thing, he must use him every information. After law him, he got one last exercise blow, check him some another lasting thing where he stop, blow walk him out say, am he straight or no? Everyone he know straight, but only must tell him from one him he know straight. So Bill he walk about he go lo Tangoa Island. Oh no. Suppose you tell him all same. You forget him one information where he talk about salt water. Billy no sabi go lo Tangoa Island. No, you no sabi talememia from Emi lukos em you forget say he got all canoe. One little information now. Full up man blog Tango I drink hava. No, you no sabi talemem or same lasting thing from Emi outside. Emi no follow him good all information waste up. Ale lo in blog page he got one play no more. Suppose he got time. All student is have follow him all instruction more. Make him play yeah.